The new 4.7-inch iPhone SE 2020 appeared on Apple's website. There is no doubt that in the coming days Apple will show the world the long-awaited popular iPhone with a 4.7-inch screen, which previously appeared under the names iPhone 9 and iPhone SE 2, and so it wasn't so much, but now it's gone completely. As it often happens, Apple inattentively mentioned the new model on the official website and, apparently, it will be called in a completely different way, iPhone SE 2020. By the way, just yesterday 9to5Mac also reported that the smartphone will be called iPhone SE. It will receive a minimum 3 colors, white, black and red, and 3 memory configurations, 64, 128 and 256 gigabytes. Returning to a fresh leak, Belkin and Visi Glass Ultra Screen Protection Safety Glass appeared in the official Apple Store. In the description, along with the iPhone 8 and 7, the new iPhone SE model was mentioned. The accessory is still available at the store for $39.95. All of its stores outside of China are still closed due to the coronavirus pandemic, so you can't buy it anyway. And although the mention of iPhone SE has already been removed from the description, many managed to take screenshots. Recall that at the very beginning of the week we also saw Urban Armor Gear protective case for the new 4.7-inch iPhone. I don't have to be surprised at the name. At the same time, the mention of the new iPhone SE along with the iPhone 8 once again confirms their affinity. As has been repeatedly reported, the new iPhone SE 2020 should get an old-fashioned design in the style of the iPhone 8 with a home button and a stuffing, like the new iPhone 11. We will talk about what it will be in detail here. In addition, the recent iOS 14 code leak gives good reason to believe that the 5.5-inch iPhone 9 Plus will make its debut along with the 4.7-inch. But while there was no other evidence for the existence of a larger model, the announcement of the new iPhone SE 2020 is expected in the coming days. It is possible that the premiere will take place today.